Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove BitLocker encryption from a drive in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove BitLocker encryption from a drive in Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. In navigation pane, click on this PC. Now right click on the drive where you want to remove BitLocker encryption, and then you will find an option manage BitLocker. Click on manage BitLocker. Here you will find your BitLocker encrypted drive, and you will find an option here turn off BitLocker. Click on turn off BitLocker. Now click on turn off BitLocker. Now look, the drive is decrypted from the BitLocker encryption. Now close BitLocker encryption setting page, and look, now the drive is unencrypted and BitLocker is removed from my Windows 11 computer's drive. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.